In this video, I will show you how to change your YouTube channel name. Easy, simple and fast. Hi, my name is Ola from Income Ola, helping you grow online. And today I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube channel name, both from your desktop and from your mobile device. Whatever may be the reason you want to change your channel name, there are differences between personal account and brand account. I always recommend to have a brand account, which gives you the option to add managers that will help you to run your business. Another advantage of having brand account over personal account is that in brand account you can choose a name longer than 2 words. But if for any reason you decide you want to use your personal account, I will show you both ways. And if you want to move your personal account to a brand account, this will be a good opportunity for you to do so. So enough rambling, let's jump into my laptop and let's make some changes. So the simplest and the fastest way to change your channel name, but not the most ideal, is changing your Google account name. This is the fastest way, but it will change your name on all the Google products and Google channels. So you go into YouTube and you make sure you logged with your account whose name you want to change, and click on your icon. From the drop down you go to settings and click on it, and now you in youtube.com/account. You go to edit on Google and click on that. Now you see your basic info, your name, your picture, and you can change it here. You just click on it, you see this little pencil, you click on the pencil, and because I have brand account, I can use as many words as I want. So I can say awesome mom ever. You click on save. It may take a few minutes until you'll be able to see the update, and then you'll see your new name on all over Google accounts and all over Google products. Now the best way to change your name, your channel name, is to transfer your existing channel to a brand new account and then merge them together. Here you have to take into the consideration that not all of your data will be carried across. While you'll still have the same subscribers and same views and the same channel URL, you are going to lose your comments, your messages, verification badges, and your custom URL if you had one. This is a decision you have to make based on your purposes and your goals of your business. If you still want to do it, let me show you how. To create brand account, go to the same setting page like we did before, settings, and click on add or manage your channels. Here you see all your channels, and you click on the plus with the title create a new channel. Now you're going to create a new brand channel and you're gonna name it the same and click create. You have to verify your phone number, your country. So now you have brand new channel, and all you need to do is merge them together. Go to the same page of settings but with your new brand account that you created. Go to advanced settings. And here you'll see move channel to your Google account or different brand account. Click on that. Type your password. Google wants to make sure it's actually you. And now now from this advanced settings, and you'll see your new brand account here. Click on that and you will have a warning. Because you don't have any subscribers, nothing yet, you have to delete this channel. Just click on delete. Since we are going to move existing channel to a brand account, we don't need another channel there. It may be a little confusing, but don't worry, just follow the steps and you're gonna be okay. Now click on Move Channel. And of course it will ask you, are you sure you want to move and update your channel? Click on Move Channel again. And that's all, you're done. Click OK and you're done. I hope this video was helpful. If so, make sure to like and share it. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any good info I share here weekly. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.